Ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do today is I'm going to show to you that you can make a video, put on YouTube, without needing any fancy equipment. All I'm going to use, and this is my challenge today, is just my iPhone 7 Plus. Nothing else. No external mics, no stabilizers, nothing. Just what I got in my hand. So let's do this test today and see if it's something that's very interesting or not. By the way, enjoy beautiful Townsville. On top of the hotel now. Check out Castle Hill behind me. Pretty cool. But we're going to go have some breakfast now. So again, no stabilizers, nothing but my phone. So I'm in Townsville right now. In about an hour's time, we're going to get dressed and get ready for work. And we're going to fly down to Adelaide. So we're going to continue this vlog in Adelaide. We've got 17 hours there, so I'm not sure what we're going to do, but we're going to explore. And we're going to use just the phone to do it. Let's go. Delicious breakfast, love my pancakes. Now it's time to head, so let's head on to Adelaide, and I'm gonna see y'all in the Lade. Or the ad. What's the nickname for it? I don't know.
This program to bring you a special report.
Let's go back to what I did last night when I first got into the city. Spicy pork and habanero sauce. Keeps burning. That was amazing. But now I need ice cream because I'm still on fire. I don't know what it is about Adelaide, but it feels like I'm walking through the streets of London. After that interesting dinner, back to your regular programming.
I know you noticed the chaos around us. I feel so close to you.
I haven't even told you, ladies and gentlemen, why I'm actually in Adelaide. Obviously for work, but also I got an email the other night, actually yesterday, about a job opportunity. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a video, a 1-minute video for this job opportunity. And you know, me being creative and all, so I've come to the place where the future job is going to be starting from. And so I'm going to be filming this now. And again, still doing this vlog here just on the phone. Yeah, this is why I'm here in, where am I? Parafield. It's an airport here. Let's go check it out. Video done. Let's head back on the train into Adelaide, where I will finish off this vlog. So bouncy without a gimbal. I miss gimbals.
I heard you say we're falling like stars. I didn't notice the chaos inside my heart.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is the vlog over. So it's my little experiment to see how well you can vlog with just your phone. What this is video to prove is that you don't need fancy equipment to make videos, get creative and just send things out. So here is a final time-lapse shot of Adelaide City from the hotel room, and enjoy and see you next time. And the next video I bring out, very excited. I know it's opposite what this video is talking about, but I've got a gimbal which is waterproof. Alright, I'm excited, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, obviously give us a like, and all the usual suspects. Almost at 200 subs. Exciting times. Alright, thank you and bye-bye.